Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed, constantly battling a mind filled with worries and distractions? The emotional toll of a cluttered mind is immense, robbing you of joy and clarity. But what if I showed you a timeless philosophy that can cut through the noise, leaving you with an unshakable inner calm? This isn't just about minimalism. It's about radically transforming your inner world and finding true wealth where it truly matters. Here is a list of things that should be decluttered before the new year. The emphasis is not only on removal, but on regaining clarity and direction. 1. Commitments that no longer align. Obligations once accepted may no longer serve your values or long-term aims. 2. Resentments and unfinished emotional debts. Carrying old anger is a form of voluntary suffering. You cannot change the past, but you can refuse to let it occupy the future. Declutter by forgiving, not to excuse others, but to free yourself. 3. Digital noise. Unnecessary apps, endless notifications, and mindless scrolling fragment attention. What you allow into your mind shapes your inner life. Reduce inputs to protect focus and judgment. 4. Excess possessions. Objects demand maintenance, space, and mental energy. Keep what is useful or meaningful. Release what merely fills shelves. Ownership should support life, not weigh it down. 5. Negative self-talk. Your inner dialogue becomes your reality. If you would not speak to a respected friend that way, do not speak to yourself that way. Discipline the mind as carefully as you discipline actions. 6. Unclear goals. Vague intentions create wasted effort. The Stoics valued clarity of purpose over busyness. Enter the new year knowing what matters and what does not. 7. Relationships built on drain, not respect. Some connections persist only through history, not health. Choose proximity to those who encourage virtue, honesty, and growth. Distance is sometimes wisdom. 8. Comparison and external validation. Measuring your life against others steals peace. Focus on what you can control, your character, effort, and choices. Freedom begins when approval is no longer required. The new year does not require a new version of you, only a lighter one. Declutter what weakens your mind, divides your focus, and delays your progress. What remains will be enough.